Hi, I'm James,
And I'm Ilya. We're both UBC students.
and this is Intercloud, a cloud service aggregator. Intercloud is for small developers whose applications are growing and can no longer use the free tiers offered by various platforms, and who want to minimize cost.
We also believe Intercloud can help growing developers anticipate their cloud costs as they scale. Simple cloud price aggregators are difficult to find, and we hope you find this application useful.
This is the Intercloud UI. You can compare cloud functions, storage, and virtual machines. When you're just starting out, you might not need that many resources. And this is the low budget. But as your app grows, you may need more resources.
And suppose your virtual machine is used to change the format of millions of files. This is called batch processing. And this kind of task would be ideal for Spot instances. So if you click Allow Spot, you can see the prices change significantly. There are also some interesting differences for these services like cloud functions. GCP is a larger free tier, but becomes twice as expensive later on. And our rating system, well, we're still working on it. Right now, it's heavily linked to the price. But we include some interesting stuff. For instance, cold start times for cloud functions. This is how long a function takes to initialize if it hasn't been used in a while. We found an article for average cold start times and gave each provider a score and tried to weight it appropriately. This is our demo, but we encourage you to check out the project for yourself at www.interclouds.tech. The front end consists of multiple forms for each cloud service. The database stores the prices for each cloud service, and the serverless functions update the database at midnight. However, the front end and the serverless functions are not connected at all. For our front-end technologies, we decided to use React and TypeScript. We also use Tailwind, which is provided like a helpful collection of utility classes, helped make our website responsive. We use the Netlify static hosting and the domain.com free .tech domain. For our serverless functions, we wrote them in Node.js and hosted them on Azure Functions. And for the database, we used Google Cloud Firestore. And that's our tech stack.
While we were able to update prices using the Azure and Google pricing APIs, in the future, we would like to add the Amazon price list API.
And we'd also like to do more research and improve the rating system, as well as add new cloud services like databases.